Okay, right now I'm trying to experiment. I'm cleaning all these pennies with salt, doesn't really matter what kind of salt, and vinegar. So I tried mixing it up, but the salt wouldn't dissolve. So I had these two pennies right here, and the one on the left looked exactly the same color as this one right here. And I put that in there for about a minute or 2 minutes, and it changed colors. So right now I'm going to. By the way, these are 1979 pennies. So right now I'm doing a 1982 penny, which is the last year of a copper penny, and then till 1983 later, the pennies have less copper in them but more zinc. So I'm trying a 1982 penny. So you can see start to mix it up. You see all the dirt. And shake it. Remember how dirty that was? Now it's cleaner.